Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we're going to be talking about how to install the cartridges on an Epson XP 446. And most of these models, that's the exact same way how to replace the cartridges. But you're really going to have to go into your settings, go into maintenance, and then click on replace ink cartridges. Once you're there, you're going to go ahead and click that. You're going to go ahead and lift the top of your printer, and your print head should be right here in the middle. Once you do that, go ahead and grab your ink, make sure that everything is detached from it that needs to be detached. And usually I just like to get them in a bunch like this, match up the colors, and you're just going to go ahead and lay them all in there. And you could settle them all in place. Don't push them in just yet. So get them all just like that, kind of lined up there. And then you're going to begin to push each one in, just like that. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and close it up, and go ahead and print some test pages, and that's really all there is to it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some brand new ink and for this printer, as well as my website bestprinterstech.com. I hope this was helpful in showing you how to install the ink cartridges on the Epson XP 446. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.